Hey everyone, Romel here, and today we are finally going to be doing an unboxing video. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these, and that's mostly because I've been a little bit busy and my time and energy has been preoccupied. Hopefully, going forward, I'm able to focus more on making these videos, so you'll be seeing a lot more unboxings and reviews in the near future. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But in this video, we're going to be doing a unboxing setup as well as some initial impressions on the PlayStation 5. I was a little bit torn in deciding to keep the PlayStation 5 or not. I was either going to keep the PlayStation 5 or give it to a friend for retail and pick up a 3080. I decided not to get the 3080 since the 2070 Super is more than enough for the games that I do play, and if I didn't keep the PlayStation 5, I probably wouldn't be able to get one until next year since there is a shortage and it's going for a crazy resale. So sorry for those that weren't able to get one and have to either wait or pay resale prices for this. It is a console, so there will eventually be stock, so it's all about the waiting game. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. The box does have a sleeve, and once you get the box outside of the sleeve, it's just the plain white box that has the PlayStation logo on one side. When you open this box, you're greeted with another box, and in this smaller box, it has the controller, some of the documentation, as well as all of the cables that come with the PlayStation 5, which include the power cable, HDMI cable, and the USB-C cable to charge the controller. And you do also get this stand thing. Next up, after you're done with this box, the PlayStation 5 is right underneath it. This thing is quite huge and heavy, so be sure to place it somewhere and take it out, as I did have some difficulty trying to take it out without laying it flat first, so be sure to do that if you don't want to risk dropping the PlayStation 5. I think the console itself looks pretty nice. It's mostly white with some black, and the shape is a little interesting. I do think it looks a little bit better than just a box. On the front of the PlayStation 5, you do get two ports. You have one USB and you also have one USB-C. If you have the disc version, you have two buttons, one for the eject and one for the power, and the disc tray is on the right-hand side of the console if you're looking at it. On the back, it's pretty simple. You have the power outlet, HDMI, Ethernet, two USB 3 ports, but you are missing the optical audio out, which caused me a little bit of a headache, but I'll get to that later in the video. The setup for the console is really straightforward. After you turn on the PlayStation 5, the first thing you'll do is set up your Wi-Fi and do the screen adjustments. After that, you'll be prompted for updates, and then you set up your account. You do get asked if you wanted to transfer your data from your PS4, but I didn't have mine turned on, so I'll be doing that sometime in the future. Once the setup is complete, you go into Astro's Playroom, which shows you some of the cool features of the new DualSense controller. Some of these features include the haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and the built-in microphone. The haptic feedback feels great, and you can really feel it anywhere on the controller. It's kind of a weird sensation since it's pretty new to me. It'll be interesting to see what the developers do with this. And the adaptive triggers are also really cool. The tension and the force changes based on what's happening in the game. So your triggers can feel really loose or they can feel tight based off of what's happening in the game. It kind of is really hard to explain without feeling it yourself. But again, I'm really interested to see what kind of things the developers will do with these two new features. You do also have the option of using your old PlayStation 4 controllers, but you don't get to use any of the new features on the PlayStation 5. So I have been playing the PlayStation 5 for a few days now, but the one thing about my setup is that I do have to play in 1080p because my PlayStation 5 goes into my capture card in 1080, and then my stream is 1080, and my monitor is also, well, my monitor is 1440p, but it does play in 1080 since the capture card outputs in 1080. I really wish I kind of invested in 4K instead. If you guys watched my HD capture video, my reasoning there was I wasn't planning on doing 4K, but with the PlayStation 5, maybe it might have been a little bit better if I future-proofed myself with a 4K capture card instead. But on stream, I have been playing Spider-Man Miles Morales, and it's been really great. It looks amazing, and I really wish I could experience it in 4K, but seeing it in 1080 is also just as amazing. Even on my stream and watching the VOD, it looks just as good. But yeah, this is one of those games that doesn't feel like a $70 game, unfortunately. It plays really nice, it runs really smooth, but the length of the game is only about 7 hours, and I was able to beat it in 2 streams, and I played for maybe a couple hours after, and I was able to do 100%. I really wish it was a little bit longer and it didn't feel like DLC, but I do also have Demon Souls, which I'll be playing through on stream as well. So if you guys want to catch that, my Twitch is twitch.tv/forbiddenx. I'll probably be playing that the next couple of streams, maybe longer. I hear it's a really hard game. I've never played any Souls games. Besides that, I haven't gotten any other games. Like I said, there wasn't any games that really interested me besides these two. So once I finish beating Demon Souls, I'll probably go through my PlayStation 4 backlog, unless another game comes out that piques my interest. I might try Valhalla on the PlayStation 5 instead of my PC. In conclusion, I'm pretty happy with the PlayStation 5, and I'm happy that I decided to keep it instead of getting the 3080. I'm really excited, more so looking forward and seeing what the developers can do in terms of pushing the console. The next major release that I'm looking forward to is obviously Cyberpunk. I'll probably get that on the PlayStation 5 instead of the PC, mostly because I just want to see what the PlayStation 5 would look like running Cyberpunk. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll probably be doing a couple more videos related to the PlayStation 5, especially with my streaming setup. So if you guys want to see more PlayStation 5 videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have any suggestions as to what other content you want to see, feel free to leave that in the comment box down below. And like I said, I will be playing through Demon Souls, so if you guys haven't followed me on Twitch, my Twitch is twitch.tv/forbiddenx, and I will be live every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, it's linked in the description below. Feel free to join if you guys just wanted to talk anime, mice, keyboard, gaming, what have you. We kind of have a channel for everything, and we do play Valorant every now and then. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.